We truly believe that even today, there are employees who can work with enthusiasm and accept the company's goals and values as their own. Stella is just like that. From a small town without acquaintances, she was looking for a job in the big city. However, she failed to stand out without work experience until applying for the job ad via the link and receiving the automatically sent test invitation. The results of psychological tests showed that Stella is conscientious in her work, proactive, dynamic, agreeable, and smart. Shortly upon employment, she started contributing to the business, took responsibility, and became one of the leaders in the company. With her contribution, the company grew more and more, and the employees trusted her. Being a leader now and recalling her beginnings, Stella decided to improve the training of new employees, increase their efficiency, and reduce the human error factor. In collaboration with psychologists, IT experts, and HR managers of other companies, she participated in the automation of the onboarding process. But they did not stop there. Their positive energy and enthusiasm created a module for monitoring and rewarding the employees' performance objectively, which resulted in the company's growth and lowered the labor costs. This way of rewarding reduced employee turnover and increased job satisfaction. By applying anonymous surveys and the 360 degrees assessment, they identified the key employee growth and development areas, and through a digitized education system, easily improved employees' competencies.
I am Stella. Step with me into the future of the HR. Recruiter.hr, all-in-one human resource management solution.